I'm Kyle Alexander with Professional Car Washing and Detailing Magazine and Carwash.com, and this is your Weekend Review. This week in Car Wash e-news, Champion Xpress Carwash opened its first location in Missouri, bringing the Champion treatment to more customers across the Midwest. The newest Champion Xpress Carwash delivers fast, high-quality, and professional car wash services, with 55 locations across New Mexico, Colorado, Iowa, Illinois, Texas, and now Missouri. Champion Xpress continues to maintain its commitment to excellence, innovation, and community engagement. The company expects more growth to come in 2025. Splash Carwash has a new Chief Operating Officer. Griffin Kuhn was promoted to the role starting in December 2024. Kuhn began his career with Splash Carwash after several years spent in the inner city of Chicago teaching high school English. Since the inception of his career at Splash, he has demonstrated a remarkable ability to lead and motivate people. Additionally, Garrett Hartman, former Senior Director of Operations, has been promoted to Vice President of Operations Support. With these new leadership positions in place, Splash aims to continue building on its momentum in the car wash industry. In the professional car washing and detailing world, we recently released a new episode of Wash Talk, the Carwash Podcast. In the episode, Rich DiPaolo talks with Southwest Car Wash Association President-elect Jeff Blanzett about the upcoming SCWA Convention Expo. Blanzett shared insights on this year's theme, Refresh, Renovate, and Reinvest, and how it reflects the evolving landscape of the car wash industry. He and DiPaolo also discussed the convention speakers and education sessions, as well as tips for attendees to make the most of their time at the convention. Blanzett is ready for what this year's show has to offer.
Yeah, we're truly excited. We think this year is going to be just another wonderful, show, and so we're really just happy to be at that point in time again. I can't believe it's already been a year, but we're excited to get back together and see everyone.
The SCWA Convention Expo is happening February 26th through the 28th at the Fort Worth Convention Center in Fort Worth, Texas. Watch Blanzett's full Wash Talk episode to learn more about it at our website, carwash.com. And finally, can you feel the love? After all, this weekend review is being released on Valentine's Day. LUV Car Wash is celebrating the day with its new Fresh Floral Tunnel Scent. Since February 1st, customers at all LUV locations have been able to experience the new fresh floral fragrance in the company's signature Tunnel of Love. With this, LUV Car Wash has also started a charitable partnership with the Donna Foundation, donating $1 from every True Love single wash sold in February to the foundation. Donations will support families living with breast cancer. LUV Car Wash continues its rapid expansion across Florida, Georgia, California, Nevada, and Pennsylvania, bringing its car care to more communities nationwide. That'll do it for this week's Weekend Review. You can find the full stories of these highlights at carwash.com. You can also sign up for a free Car Wash e-news and magazine at carwash.com/subscribe. I've been Kyle Alexander, and as always, keep on sparkling.